Hi kids, today we will have study from awareness skill book. Today let's learn about sense organs. What is the meaning of sense organs? Sense organs are the ones who give us sensation. Sensation, see, through the eye we can see. So it gives us feeling, sensation of seeing. Through nose we can smell. Through skin, not only your hand, all over your body there is skin. So through that you get the feeling. You can feel whatever you touch. Whatever touches you, you can sense it. You can feel it. Tongue gives you the sensation of taste. Okay, there are different kinds of tastes. So sweetness, bitterness, sour. So these are the different tastes. And ear helps you to hear. Ear helps you to hear. Through your eyes you can see. Through your nose you can smell. And through your skin you can feel. Through your tongue you can taste. Through your ears you can hear. Now what do we have to do in this? How do we have to do matching? So match with the sense organ which helps you know that the ice is cold. Ice is cold. How do you know? By seeing, can you say ice is cold? By smelling, can you say ice is cold? No. Only by touching. You touch the ice. Touch. You feel the sensation that ice is cold. Only by touching in your hands or touching on your face, you can feel that ice is cold. Now elephant is big. How do you know the elephant is big? How do you know? You can see the elephant. You can see the elephant and say that it is big. So how do you see? You see through your eyes. Phone is ringing. Trin, 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 trin. Or beautiful sounds you can get from ringtones. So phone is ringing. How do you know? You can hear the sound. Hear the sound. Where do you hear the sound? How do you hear the sound? It is through your ear. Then sunflower. Flower smells nice. You know you have smelled the different smells of fragrance of flowers. Jasmine, rose, hibiscus, sunflower. So you know by smelling you know that it is very nice. Or your parents or you use perfumes. So perfumes also are nice smelling things. So how do you know that? You smell through your nose. Then candy is sweet. Candy is sweet. This candy is very sweet. How do you know? By tasting with your tongue. Come on, let us put it on your mouth. Wow, it's very sweet. Okay children, did you understand how you come to know about sense organs? What are the sense organs? Eye. Spell it. E-Y-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Skin. S-K-I-N. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Ear. E-A-R. So parents, please make your child to by heart the spellings of these sense organs. They should be able to say that there are 5 sense organs and they are eye, nose, skin, tongue and ear. Okay, well done. I hope you will do this activity. And also let us learn how we can keep ourselves clean. How do you keep yourself clean? In the morning you get up, brush your teeth, Okay, you take bath, you wear, after the bath, you wear clean clothes. Okay, and before having your meals, you wash your hands with soap. Now, especially, in this COVID season, Corona era, you know that you need to wash your hands with soap, not so much with sanitizer. You need to use any detergent and wash your hands with soap so that all the germs get washed away or killed away. Okay, then this is about washing hands. Playing in mud. Not bad that you play in mud. It's not bad. It's good only. We need to be in touch with the Mother Earth. But to keep ourselves clean, after playing in mud, you should wash yourself clean. You should wash your hands and feet. Then after the meals, you need to rinse your mouth each time. Rinsing means gargling. You put water in your mouth and do like that, and then throw away the water into the sink or the basin. Now tick the things we do to keep clean. Not taking bath. Oh my God. Nowadays, small children are very lazy, no school, so they want to get up late. They don't want to brush their teeth. They don't want to take bath. They make fuss about it. So that is not a good habit. It's a bad habit. You should take bath every day. Wearing clean clothes. Are they clean clothes? Children, look at your clothes. Look at your clothes. Are they clean? What you have worn? Are they clean? If not clean, tell your mama to change your clothes. Always wear clean clothes. So it is right. Eating meals on time. You should not eat junk food. You should eat your meals. Here this child is eating porridge. Okay. And fruits. What can you eat in your home? You can eat, what is this? Ragi mudde, okay, you can eat it. And then you can have rice, sambar, or whatever your mama cooks. That is the best food. The food cooked by your mother is the best food, okay? So therefore, eat meals on time. So it's a good habit. Washing hands is also a very, very good habit. Brushing teeth, of course, morning as well as evening preferably is the best habit of brushing teeth. Playing in mud, I don't say it is bad. You play in mud, but after playing in mud, wash your hands and feet nicely. Then rinsing mouth after meals. This is also a good habit. Okay. So children, enjoy keeping yourself clean. Now about my family, we shall see in the next class. Again, you have another book for your class, that is Book of Wellness. Last week we have learned about feelings. So were you happy all these days? Were you happy? Okay. Now express your feelings. Look, read and draw. What is this? Happy. You feel great. I'm great. Instead of saying I'm happy, you say I'm great. I feel great. So you need to draw that you feel great. Beautifully you can draw with eyes, nose and a mouth full of smiles. Wow. This is how you can draw a mouth filled with smiles or laughter. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay. See the smile here. Here the child is laughing. Here it is smiling. I'm fine. Okay. So you need to draw over here that you are fine. Nose and a smiling face. Smiley. Okay. Then here I'm okay. I'm okay. not so excited, not so sad, but I am cool, I am okay. So this is how you can show that you are okay. Now comes the time. See, what is this? Eyes are down, eyes are drooping, face is frown, the mouth and the face is frowned. So what you feel here? You feel very sad. You say, I'm not so good. I'm not so good. I'm not happy to draw this face, but all the same, I want to show that how a sad face looks like. So growny face, okay, grumpy face. So I'm not so good. What does this face say? I'm great. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm not so good. I'm not so good. Why you are not so good? Why? Why are you not happy? Ask yourself and see that you make yourself feel comfortable. Okay, about anger we shall see in the next class. So have fun, children. Have a good day. Bye-bye.